Ready? Ready? You ready? You ready? You ready for the water? Let's go. Honey, can you hold this?
Is it just taking snapshots?
No, let's take a video. Oh, he's farting on my arm. The whole beach is pretty. Are you cold, son? Cold? Cold? Huh? Let's go, Bacho. Let's do it. Let's go somewhere away from these dirty people. They are they not? So? This is how I am. Don't drop it because I don't have a waterproof door on here.
Why? What happened to the waterproof door?
Nothing, I'm not using it.
Oh my gosh, it's cold right here already.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, I have to be.
Let go.
He loves it.
Let go of this.
He loves it. No?
Here comes the water. Sure.
Oh my gosh. Yay.
Are you smiling?
Jace, you want to try?
Oh, he's shaking.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah, it's freezing, man.
Go around and around.
He's smiling.
Jace, look. Jace. Jace.
He's so grumpy. You're a grumpy monkey. Oh no. He's like, look, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming. Jace, you want to try?
You want to dip
Come
it?
here.
Okay.
You ready? You let him speed up. Yeah. Okay, you touched the water already. Good boy.
You want me to get a picture of the water? You got the water? Nope.
No, it's okay. It's
Too
cold.
cold?
Yeah. Yeah, it hurt. It's cold. That hurts. Right?
Yeah.
Things.
Poor babies, they're all shivering.
Even like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love the water.
Is this like still going? It's
Yeah.
okay.
The Peter's starting to go numb.
Dude, it's freezing, man.
Get in. Bubba. I'll take that. Thanks. Aiden.
I think it's freezing, man.
That's disgusting. Why are you putting dirty HB water on me?
Cold, huh? Cold. Tired. Yeah, that's crazy freezing. What's that about, man?
almost walked in that thing.
Making dirty food.
That's disgusting. I really, really hope you're wrong.
Looking at it, take the photo. I think this
Zah,
You liked it.
it's okay. And it's too cold down here. Huh? Aiden. Aiden. Woo!
Aiden, put it down on.
Oh, I'm gonna stand on this side. Aiden. What's going on? Lift your head up, honey. Okay, let's go. Huh? Go this way, honey. Go straight up there. Go straight right there. He likes it.
Yeah, he loves it. He loves bath, he loves water.
I was afraid that he would be scared of the cold.
You should
So,
see the
like-
pictures I took of you guys. He was smiling the whole time.
So like in the bath, like you know like when you turn the water back on to rinse them off, right? Like it's cold in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
I'll splash him with the cold water. Just so he's used to it. Does Aiden need a diaper change too?
Yeah.
Do you want me to change him? Honey?